Hello everyone. In this video we will be learning about Gauss-Jordan method. This method is applicable, this method we use it to find the inverse of the matrix. Let's see what are the steps which are involved in this method. I have listed here all the steps which we need to follow to find the inverse of the given matrix. सबसे पहले तो जो भी मैट्रिक्स दिया जाएगा वो that we will be writing as it is given matrix. This will be our first step. So we will be writing the given matrix as it is, that will be our A matrix. Now next step we will be writing about the augmented matrix. Augmented matrix means we will be writing in this way, in this form. A is nothing but the given matrix, and this is nothing but the unit matrix. We will be writing, this will be of same order like how we depend on the A's, what is the order of the given matrix, it depends on that what will be the order of this unit matrix. A and in between we will be writing colon and then I, that I is nothing but a unit matrix and उसका order depend करता है कि given matrix का order क्या है उसके ऊपर depend करेगा. But this is nothing but your augmented matrix. So whatever matrix will be there corresponding to do that is nothing but augmented matrix. Now what we will be doing, apply elementary row transformation. Now next step is apply elementary row transformation on matrix A to make it unit matrix. So our intention, our goal is जो भी matrix है दिया हुआ A matrix उसको हमें लेना है, मतलब we have to convert it into unit matrix by applying different row transformation, elementary transformation. यहाँ पे आपको याद ये रहना that you have to keep it in mind very well. Only elementary row transformations we will be using here. Column transformations we are not allowed to use it, any column transformation. That's the important point which you need to keep it in mind, because this is the Gauss-Jordan method. Okay, so row transformation apply करके आपको given matrix को unit matrix में convert करते जाना है. So and the same transformations you will be applying on this one also I, and apply same operation on unit matrix as well. जो भी हमने ये I लिया हुआ है उसके ऊपर भी same transformation we will be keep applying. And till which point we will be going to do this. At some point what will happen, this given matrix A will get converted into unit matrix. That step वहाँ पे हमें उसको stop करना है to apply further transformations. And at that step whatever the converted वो I मतलब जो unit matrix हमारा change हो जाएगा by using by applying the transformation, that changed whatever matrix unit matrix will get changed, that is nothing but your inverse matrix will be there. So this is what I have listed in the step 4. Matrix A will get converted into unit matrix and the corresponding matrix will be inverse of A. Only points, like as I said before, the point which you have to remember here, only row transformations will be applied. Column transformations are not allowed to use it in Gauss-Jordan method. And the other thing is here, while you are making a diagonal element, you will be making it 1. So unit matrix convert karna means obviously diagonal elements you will be making it 1, but you have to take care of that while making diagonal elements 1. You have to you cannot you have to, how you can make it, by either by interchanging row or dividing that row by some other number. So that's the only two ways you can use it, either by row interchanging or by dividing that element with some other number. That's the only way you can make diagonal elements 0. Other than for making other elements 0, you can apply row transformation, any row transformation whichever you want, but specifically for making diagonal elements 1, you have to use either row transformation, row interchange, not transformation, row you can interchange it or you can divide it with some number. सो दैट 2 इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स आपको याद होने चाहिए जैसे ही आप मतलब क्वेश्चन होता है गॉस-जॉर्डन के ऊपर, गॉस-जॉर्डन मेथड के ऊपर, तो आपको ये 2 पॉइंट्स याद आने ही चाहिए बिफोर यू start solving the questions. So now there are a couple of points which you have to keep it in mind is the way or the order or the sequence. I have repeated this point in the previous in the last video as well. मतलब किस order से हमें इन elements को 1 either 1 और 0 we have to make it. Diagonal elements जो भी है उनको 1 करते चले जाना है and other than diagonal element we have to make it 0. लेकिन जो sequence है, जो order which we have to follow is यहाँ पे उसी sequence को हम we will try to follow. यहाँ पे first जो है diagonal element हम 1 लेने की कोशिश करेंगे, उसके बाद जो भी है below that elements are there in the same column we will try to make it 0. यहाँ पे तो we are not allowed to go this way. Why? Because column transformations are not allowed only, so there is no question of going that direction. So सिर्फ vertical moments we can do it. So next diagonal element यहाँ पे हमें 1 करना है, उसके बाद जैसे ही वो आ जाएगा तो इसके ऊपर के सारे elements 0 करते जाना. We will try to make it 0. जिसके below जो है elements उनको 0 लाने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए. Then this is the last element which we need to make it diagonal element which we will try to make it 1. उसके बाद नीचे तो element नहीं रहेगा, ऊपर जो भी है उनको 0 लाना है. We'll try to follow this order, so it will be quite helpful for you. So I just gave the number, the same order in terms of numbers I have written. So इसको preference will be this one, second preference will be for this element, third preference here, then again उसके बाद इसको हमें diagonal element लेना है उसको, that will be 4th preference, then this element will be having 5th, then 6th, then फिर हमें diagonal element लेना है 7th, then this will try to make it 0 and make 0. This same thing I put it in the, I gave the number so that preference you will understand which order we have to go. Let's discuss in more details in next video.